Alright guys, it's Marco back in for another install. Today we are installing AWE 180 technology muffler or resonator setup. I currently do have the track edition exhaust with the boosted 6 downpipes. It is tuned as well, but I wanted it to quiet down a little bit. There's no drone on the AWE system, it's just with the downpipes a little bit, but this should get rid of all of it. So we're going to get on that right now. Alright guys, we're going to uninstall the first pipe. We're going to take the tips off first just so I don't scratch them or anything like that, and then we'll go from there. Should be pretty easy, shouldn't take very long, but you never know. Awesome. Time lapse. Alright, now that we got the track one off, putting the two-ring one on, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I always just like to take the hangers off because it makes it easier. But we're going to go do that now. I'm going to go clean the tips too, and yeah, in a minute. Alright guys, so it is installed. I think it sounds much better, much cleaner. It's the track exhaust without the downpipe sounded really good. This with the downpipes, it definitely helps not drone, because before it would drone a little bit on startup. But I like how it sounds. I'm gonna go drive it a little bit, see what I think. But I think you hear the turbos much more, and I like that. So thank you AW for sending this out. I do appreciate it, and I will continue to run it as I do. Thank you.
Bro, that's how you know it's cheap 3M.
Because it just cut right there.
Look, watch. Come here.
What are you doing, dude? Did you just make a mark on my vehicle?
Nissan.
Dude, that'd be funny as f. We're not doing that though.